Hi guys, welcome back. And you have come back on purpose, yes? By the way, I hope you like my presentation today. To be fair, this feather is merely a way to cover a hole that I have in my turtleneck. I don't really know what the issue is. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Yes, I am a designer, but I have not been shopping in quite some time. I am covering this hole, and in fact, I've started to realize that I kind of have holes in a lot of my clothing. Maybe call me holy. For those of you who aren't aware, I am developing a new collection, page 2, but I still have a first collection that you may wish to check out on my website, hizstry.com. On the website, you can see what's on there, see what tickles your fancy, see what tickles the fancy of someone else. I am also a style consultant, so if you even just need help in terms of your look and your presentation, and you want to know how maybe to present yourself better, which again is a bit of a contradiction when I'm walking around with holes in my body. And remember, you can call me holy, I shall bless you. Today, you get to meet or be reintroduced to Dominik. How I met him was very interesting. I was doing a bit of style stalking, on Instagram. And it's almost a wonder that I actually reached out to him because he had a massive following. And in addition to that, he was a bit intimidating. And what I mean by intimidating, yes, of course, he was attractive. He had these blue eyes and this perfect beard. He had this whole brooding, just made me think, ooh, I don't know. Is he going to be mean? I wasn't sure. I will say that Dominik is the epitome of you should never judge a book by its cover. Dominik, who are you?
I think I'm one of the weirdest in terms of the guy sitting somewhere in the corner or more in the back. And a lot of people are saying that I'm the one looking like an angry person. So I'm not the happiest when I sit somewhere. I'm not the outgoing one.
I don't know if I would go as far as to say angry, but I don't want to mess with you.
Ah, right.
Which is kind of
sure.
like, oh, yeah.
But I think it takes time.
Okay. How long would you say normally it would take for someone to see you smile? Genuinely.
I'm a person observing as a bartender. People were saying that it's hard to get in touch with me, and I think I was cold as ice.
Is that a defense mechanism?
It can be and could be, but I think it was part of me being a bartender. It's a kind of blame role.
You say that you bartend. What specifically is your passion?
A lot of things. So bartending is part of my passion. Music, I've been playing drums for years. So music is a big thing. Modeling, creating content, photography, videography and stuff like that.
Come follow us to Mannheim and Shanghai. But first, coffee. And a bagel, because Dominik got hangry and we had plenty of time.
Being a creator could be a word for it.
Color. When I first met you, you had on all black. You're generally all black, but just recently.
I changed.
You started to explore color.
As a creator, I get a lot of clothes with colors, and I had to wear them. But I started to love it in a way. Combination of black and color piece and different colors matching together. It's nice. But I think people are more open to me when I'm wearing colored clothes. They pop out more.
Exactly.
When I'm wearing just black, it wasn't my intention to hide, but it felt like being more colorful is being more open in general, I guess.
What would you say is your best quality?
In terms of what? I can listen without judging, just listen.
What is Dominik's personal definition of love?
Personal definition of love. That's not easy. And in my definition, there are two people going somewhere together. and enjoying life together and could be whatever they want without being judged. And it's also possible that there's just one, and he's going his way, her way, and so much self-love that there's no need for someone else. Maybe this could also be possible.
One of the things that I really enjoy about getting to know someone is at everyone's core there's a goodness, something that it's pleasing to the soul, and I often enjoy seeking that out. It was not hard to find it in Dominik at all. He can melt butter. Another thing that I thought was really cool, something that I loved that he mentions, is when talking about love, he also refers to self-love. I thought it was so cool because self-love is important. Love is not just between two people. In fact, in Berlin, it's between multiple. I love my feather. Love yourself. Love yourself. It's so important. Thank you once again, Dominik. Thank you for sharing who you are, at least a part of who you are with me, and allowing me to share it with others. I have a lot to debate about. I am in the process of going fabric shopping. I am sketching and everything, and I am actually trying to decide who's going to get what. What I am really finding difficult is I do not want to jeopardize the guys seeing what I am doing. So again, if you have any insight as to how I can navigate this situation where I can present and share with you guys color palettes and textures and silhouettes and designs all together, please let me know, because I really do want to share, but at the same time, I do want to maintain a bit of discretion. In addition to doing something that's inspired by them individually, I also need to make sure to keep my aesthetic and what me as a designer within this whole garment. So it's really challenging, and I mean, it's exciting, but it is challenging nonetheless. Thanks again for joining me. I will be back next time. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Hit that notification bell, because guess what? That will let you know when I've released another video. And I don't want to miss you. I don't want you to miss me, because we're in this together. Like, subscribe. Is my feather's gone? Oh my gosh, you guys didn't even tell me. There we go. There we go. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time.